Hey all, how's everyone doing today? Hope everyone is doing great. Today is our first class, so welcome to Homeschooling with Hira. And from now on, you will learn English sounds with Miss Hira every day. So, are you ready for this? If yes, then let's get started. Okay, first I'm going to tell you a story. Please listen to it carefully and then we shall talk about something else. So, this story is about this boy Sam and his dog Samson. It is a sunny morning. Sam is taking his dog Samson for a walk. They like to walk down to the pond. Sam looks around as they walk along. He sees a toadstool, a red and yellow caterpillar, and a black bird on her nest. When they get to the pond, Sam and Samson spend some time watching the fish swim in the water. After a while, Samson goes off and sniffles around in the grass. He finds a stick that he brings back to Sam. Then he barks at Sam, and Sam throws the stick for Samson to fetch. Samson runs around looking for the stick in the grass. Suddenly, Samson starts barking, "Woof! Woof! Woof!" Sam skips over to see what Samson has found. He hears a sound. In front of Samson is a spotty snake. It is rearing up and hissing loudly. Sam grabs hold of Samson and the snake slithers away. So, kids, did you hear any sound in this story? The sound of the snake? Yes, that was s. Try to make the sound from your mouth, and when you're making this sound, move your hand like this. Once again. What is the sound that we are making? Now please hold your index finger up in the air and move it with my cursor. Start moving. After doing this, say the sound. Let's make it once again. Fingers in the air, start moving. What is the sound? We are making the sound. You can do it again. Once again. Right? The next thing that we are going to do is do some writing practice. I hope you have this worksheet with you. If no, you can tell your mother to get it from the description box. These worksheets are available for you. So come on, if you don't have this worksheet, you can write this thing in your notebook as well. Let's write the sound. And complete it yourself. Write and say the sound. Now try it yourself 3 times and you are done. Awesome! Now let's try to do this worksheet. It's so simple. You just need to be careful, listen to the sound and circle the picture in which you hear it. For example, this is sun, tree. Sun, tree. Where do you hear sun, tree? Sun. Wow, let's circle the picture together. Fan, snake. Fan, snake. Snake, you can circle it. You can pause the video here and do everything yourself, then check back. Hope you have done it yourself, but let me do it with you. Elephant, soap. Soap. bed, socks, bed, socks, socks. Socks has sound. Snail, tortoise, snail, tortoise, snail, snail, and here you go. Well done! You deserve a roar! Now here you need to again listen to the sound, and if the picture has sound in it, make a check like this, and if you don't hear in the picture, make a cross. Right? So let's get it started. Sand, sand. Do you hear s? Make a check. Tree, tree. You can pause the video here and do it yourself. Tree. No sound. Soap, soap, soap. S is here. Make a check. Goal, goal, goal. Do you hear s? No? Make a cross. Slippers, slippers, slippers. Check. Blackboard, blackboard, blackboard. Do you hear s? If no, make a cross. And this is your thing to do. Draw any picture that has sound in it. You can either draw a sun, some socks, sand, sea, whatsoever. And you did a good job. Fantastico! Now, on this paper, you just need to find out the pictures that have sound and color them. Don't color the pictures that don't have the sound. The last thing that you need to do is your assignment. You need to find 5 objects in your home that have the sound in them. You can find them in kitchen, you can find them in your washroom, in your bedroom, in your cupboard, anywhere. And the second thing that you can do is, with the help of any adult, try making a snake with a collage. Collage means you need to rip the paper into pieces and then stick them inside the snake. And with this is the end of our today's video. Thank you for being with me. I'll see you the next time. Till then, keep practicing writing sound and keep on finding the words around you. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.